What's good, everybody? In this video, I'm going to be breaking down how I like to build a team for a fashion photo shoot as a creative director, whether that's for my own brand or for someone else's brand. This is really just based on my experience. My name's Chris Drago. I've been running a brand called Pathos of Things for about 5 years now. I make videos on YouTube documenting my process and explaining a little bit about the things I learn along the way, so I can get 1% better at being a creative director and art director and eventually take my brand from a streetwear brand to a luxury brand. The roles that I'm going to talk about today are photographer, lighting technician / gaffer, videographer, social media coordinator, stylist, hairstylist, makeup artist, wardrobe assistant / dresser, models, set designer, art director, production manager / producer, and catering. Starting with the photographer captures the images based on the creative direction. Work closely with the creative director to bring the vision to life through composition, lighting, and framing. The photographer might have an assistant or two. The assistants support the main photographer by setting up the equipment, adjusting the lighting, and helping with on-set logistics. The lighting technician or gaffer controls the lighting setup on the set. They adjust the lighting according to the creative direction and achieve the desired mood and feel for the photos. Works with the photographer to ensure lighting consistency. Oftentimes, the photographer is also the lighting technician or gaffer. Next is videographer. They capture the video content either for behind-the-scenes footage or for a promotional campaign. They film during the shoot, ensuring that the footage complements the creative direction and can be used for marketing or promotional purposes. Having a social media coordinator on site helps me a lot. The social media coordinator captures behind-the-scenes content specifically for the socials. They post live updates or stories documenting the shoot for brand promotion and audience engagement, and they ensure that the content aligns with the brand's social media strategy. Next, we have the stylist. They curate and assemble the wardrobe for the shoot. They work closely with the creative director to select outfits, accessories, and ensure everything is on brand. They're responsible for wardrobe fittings, adjustments, and coordinating the look of each model. The hairstylist creates hairstyles that complement the wardrobe and overall shoot concept. They ensure that each model's hair aligns with the creative direction, adjusting as needed for different shots. The makeup artist provides makeup looks that match the vision of the shoot. They work with the creative director to design makeup looks for each model. They make touch-ups and adjustments during the shoot. There might be a wardrobe assistant or a dresser that assists the stylist in preparing and managing outfits on the set. You might see them steaming clothes and helping with outfit changes to make sure everything looks pristine. Next, we have models. The models are the face of the campaign, wearing the garments and expressing the mood of the shoot. They work closely with the creative director and photographer to achieve the desired poses, emotions, and overall vibe of the shoot. Next, we have set designer and art director. These roles are often done by one person. They'll design and manage the set or location environment to fit the shoot's theme. They ensure the set aligns with the creative concept, including props, backdrops, and overall mood. And they work closely with the photographer and creative director to ensure the set complements the wardrobe and lighting. Having a production manager or producer is pretty awesome for relieving a lot of the logistical aspects of a shoot. They manage the schedule, budget, and coordination of all team members. They ensure that everything runs smoothly and on time, handling any on-set problems or delays. Oftentimes, the creative director will end up being the production manager or the producer. In my case, when I'm creative directing shoots for my own brand, I often am also the production manager. For longer shoots, the team could benefit from having a production assistant or a runner. They handle miscellaneous tasks on set, provide on-demand support such as fetching items, setting up equipment, and ensuring team members have what they need. And then lastly, catering / hospitality. They will provide food and drink for the team and talent, ensuring everyone is well fed and hydrated, helping maintain energy and focus throughout the shoot. This is super important. My first shoot, I didn't account for this, and the models were like, "I'm hungry." An hour and a half into the shoot, I ended up door dashing a bunch of food, and then I had to add that to the budget, and it was a nightmare. So accounting for catering and hospitality before the shoot is really important. Okay, so that was my super short video about team roles related to fashion campaigns, creative directing fashion shoots, and creative directing for fashion brands. I plan on making videos in the future diving into each of these roles. So if you want to see something like that, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.